guys that celebrate Christmas. If you do not celebrate, I hope you're still having a wonderful time. Hopefully you're having some time off and spending time with loved ones. But Merry Christmas to all of you guys that do celebrate. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for Christmas / doing a unboxing. These last couple of years, I have done a what I got for Christmas video, except last year. I did not do one last year because I had just given birth to our baby, and so I was in recovery, just trying to kind of enjoy time with her. This year, Christmas looked a little different for us because it was mostly focused on baby. Because of that, we also did decide to not do a gift exchange with the adults. Normally we do like a Secret Santa exchange with my husband's family and with our family because we just have a larger kind of family. We decided to skip that this year, just focus on the kids, niece and nephew, and of course our baby, which I'm absolutely okay with. I am very fortunate and blessed that if I truly wanted something, I can save up for it and buy it myself. And for Christmas, I never give anyone an expensive list anyway. Anything that kind of gets up there in price, I typically buy for myself, or my husband will buy for me, just because I'm not going to do that to people. But because we didn't do a gift exchange with our families, you know, I had to treat myself just a little bit more this year. As you know around here, welcome. My name is Andrea. I typically do videos all about beauty, sometimes fashion, sometimes a little bit of luxury. So if those are topics that interest you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the post notification bell button so you are aware every single time I post a new video. So I kind of went a little bit crazy, and you'll see why in a little bit. This first item I actually did have on my like Secret Santa gift exchange if we were going to do one with the family, before we ended up deciding that we're just not going to do it. And I saw that it went on sale and I just could not stop thinking about it, so I decided to buy it for myself. Sequins purse, and the brand is called Aqua. This brand is exclusive to Bloomingdale's, and the reason I got it, if you have not kind of put two and two together so far, is because this looks a lot like the Fendi sequins baguette, and it actually looks more like the vintage version of the sequins baguette. I'll insert like a picture here. It actually resembles more the vintage style of Fendi, the original one right here that you guys will see. So it does have a adjustable and removable. You can see the like ties right here. So this strap is completely removable and it is adjustable, which is great. If you have seen any other bag like reviews on my channel, you would know that sometimes I struggle because I got like the flaps and the fat arms here. But this one sits very comfortably, very nice on the arm. You can wear it smaller and you can just wear it as like a little handbag or on the crook of your arm. But obviously the main attraction to this was the sequins of it. First saw this bag, I actually saw it in the purple and I was like, oh my God, Sarah Jessica Parker, Carrie Bradshaw, Sex and the City sequins bag. But of course that one sold out right away. So they had this one in blue and they had it in pink. And when I checked this morning, they still had it in stock. I will leave everything that I mentioned today linked down below if it's available for you. And I just could not stop thinking about it. I'm very happy that I ended up getting this because I also saw a different, was it Prada or Louis Vuitton? I couldn't remember, but there was another bag that I saw that was sequins like this as well. And before I pulled the trigger on any one of those bags with like a higher price tag, I wanted to see how I would do with this one. So I'm really glad I picked it up so I could try it out. I think it's also a really nice pop of colors. I really like it. I think it's super cute. When you open it up, it is just one compartment here, and then you do have a pocket. Really good quality, and I'm super excited to style this and wear this. Super, super cute, and I love it. These next two gifts are from my husband. This first gift I actually don't have. There was a shipment delay, so it's not going to get in until today, I think. I've been talking about wanting to get a like band or a ring so that I can commemorate like my baby's first Christmas. My husband picked this one up for me. I'm so excited to get it. I think there's just so much meaning behind it. This is something that I plan to wear all the time because it does signify just something so special, and every time I look down on it, I feel like I'm just gonna remember my baby and that it was like for her first birthday, for her first Christmas. I talked to him about it, that this would be such a cool idea for like the next kids that we have as well, just kind of adding band to it, and he loved the idea. I'm so excited to get this, and I just love that it was a very meaningful but also really pretty. So this next item I'm really excited for. This was a product that I didn't even know I really wanted until like beginning of December. We were out to dinner with my husband and one of his really good friends, also into luxury, and I was telling him about this product that I was hunting down for this. And one day I came home, I was opening packages, and I saw that this was in the mail. So I kind of spoiled the surprise. I'm so excited that my husband was able to get this with the help of his friend, because this was a popular item and sold out literally everywhere. So this is from Dior, the Mini Adieu Rouge collection. So we have the gorgeous box and we open it up. Insanely sturdy. We have the CD logo on there. In the back of it, you do also get this little thing actually comes with a gold chain. This is actually a substantial chain as well. It's not like flimsy or anything. And you just attach these to that. So this is a beautiful clutch. And then when you open it up, you do have this mirror and you get 4 lipsticks. And I love this. In the past, Dior has done like a clutch set like this, but honestly I always thought those were a little ridiculous because the other ones, like I'll show pictures here, were like an actual clutch and then like had like a lipstick tube holder on the side, and I just thought that looked super gimmicky and like you can kind of tell that it's not meant to be a clutch. This one though, it's just one and it's all gold, so it really is meant to just be a clutch. I love that it has a mirror on here, so when you're out and about you don't need to bring a separate mirror, and there is a good amount of space in here, so obviously you can fit lipstick and that just goes right in there. So I have my phone here and your phone fits perfectly in there, and because you do still have extra space on top, you can add your cards in there if you would like. It may not fit your keys if your keys are kind of bulky. If you have like a key fob, that might still actually fit in there, but obviously you get this gorgeous clutch and then you get these lipsticks as well. This lipstick is Rouge 99, very beautiful, just traditional Dior red. These actually aren't minis, so this is a refill. So all you do is you take this one out and then you can refill it with the next one on there. This one is $7.20. This is a velvet and it's just a little bit of a deeper kind of berry tone. This one is a matte and that's $7.72 classic. This last one is shade 100 and this is just a nude. You get all 4 of these lipsticks and you also get this gorgeous clutch, reusable, very sturdy. I am so excited to get so much use out of it. I don't have any like gold clutches in my collection that are like this, and like I said, everything from this actual clutch to the chain is so well made, so you're gonna get so much use out of it, but you get all of this for one price. So excited that he was actually able to find it. I kept wanting to get it from the Dior website because then you can get like the really cute wrapping and everything like that, but it was completely sold out, so I was not able to get it, but thankfully he got it for me and now I have this in my collection. All right, and these last 2 gifts are ones that I bought for myself, and I have not one but 2 YSL handbags to unbox with you. Before you start judging me, let me unbox one of the bags and I will tell you the story of it. So let's start with this one. It came in the beautiful Saint Laurent packaging. The dust bag here, so as you can tell from the size, it's not going to be huge. Any guesses to what it is? So this is the Saint Laurent Toy Lulu in the black on black. So it has black hardware and it is just a black lambskin bag. When you open it up, it does come with the crossbody strap, and the strap is adjustable. It does have that on there. And then on the inside, you have 2 compartments. This first one here, a divider, and then this back one here. For the longest time, I actually have been wanting this particular bag. For some reason, the black hardware is more expensive. I think it's like $100 or $200 more. For the longest time, I have been wanting something with the black on black from Saint Laurent. Just, I don't know what it is. I think it just looks super chic, really clean. The black on black just looks so nice. I feel like not many people have like the monochromatic black on black. For some reason, the price of the toy Lulus have skyrocketed within the last couple of years. This toy size is more expensive than other Saint Laurent camera bags that I have, which is insane because those are a little bit bigger in price. This particular one, I think retails for $2,100 if I'm not mistaken, the black with the toy version, just because it's such a popular size that a lot of people like it, and obviously the black is more expensive. Anyway, so I still wanted a toy Lulu in my collection for the longest time. I knew that for sure, and I knew I wanted something with the black on black. From the beginning of December, I was following one of the essays I follow on Instagram from Neiman Marcus, and he posted bag went on sale. So I reached out to him. He told me the price of this, and what was it? $1,040, something like that. We're already getting like $1,000 off. And I also had a Neiman Marcus gift card that my boss gave me for Christmas this year. I'm getting this bag for $712. That's insane. I'm so excited. I have already used this bag and I love it. It's such a good size. Like, I completely understand why this is sold out everywhere and it's such a popular style, because it is that really nice puffy quilting on there. It is calfskin, but it's not super sensitive. I am so stoked to have this in my collection with the black on black. It is like one of those satisfactory checks off my like handbag wish list, because I got this bag that has the black on black. If you guys recall, I ended up buying a Lou camera bag from YSL last year with the black and the silver, because I wanted things that matched silver instead of just gold. But because I ended up getting this bag that's a crossbody style, it's black on black, so it can match gold or silver because it's monochromatic, I realized I did not need another camera bag that was also casual with silver hardware with the black leather. So I was on the fence if I wanted to sell that bag or not, because I really loved the camera Lou style. And I saw this bag. Can you guess the style? So this is the Saint Laurent Lou camera bag. Really loved the camera style. It's one of my most worn styles. The space and capacity of this bag is just so good that I wanted a camera bag, that particular Lou camera bag, still in my collection, but I just did not need two bags. So I ended up selling the bag to Fashion File, and because I got that bag on sale last year, I actually ended up making all of my money back for that handbag. And while I was waiting for that sale to be finalized, Saint Laurent had a sale on these and so many classic bags. I don't know what happened, but while I was waiting for that sale to finalize, this bag went on sale. I reached out to my sales associate from Nordstrom, so he ordered this bag for me. It actually ended up getting canceled because this was such a popular style. I was super excited about it, and especially because I got this for a steal. This bag retails for $16.90 and sale price was $1,100 after taxes and everything. So I reached out to my sales associate, and bless his heart, he is such a miracle worker. He ended up finding and hunting one of these down, and we ordered it and it arrived literally like 2 days before Christmas. I also did have a gift card to the Mall of America from a campaign that I had worked with them. Nordstrom is inside Mall of America. So I actually ended up getting this bag for $800. I'm so happy because I don't have a Saint Laurent bag in this style, this like taupe, I think it's called grayish brown. It's just such a neutral color that can go with a lot with browns, nude colors, black and everything, because it's just such a easy color to match, like a neutral color to match. I love this Lou camera bag style. Like I said, it just has so much capacity. This one does have a back pocket here as well. So I have this style back in my collection. I am so excited to use it because I did get a lot of use out of it, and I love that this is in a colorway that I don't have. And I also finally got my Toy Lulu in the black on black. So is it excessive? Yes, absolutely. But I actually ended up getting two handbags for the price of one, for less than the price of one, because this one was $712 and this one was $800 and I think like 44 cents. I ended up getting two. A very Merry Christmas to me. Alright you guys, so that was it for today's video, what I got for Christmas and a little unboxing. I'm so excited for what 2024 has in store for us. Thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. A huge congratulations to us. We hit 3,000 subscribers, which I know is not a lot for, you know, lots of other YouTubers, but to me it truly means a lot. I will be doing a giveaway in the next couple of videos, so be on the lookout for that. Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff's going to be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Thank you again for watching today's video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.